Who knew you could make a mouth-watering fish wrap in just 5 minutes? Let me show you how it's done. First, you're going to fry your crispy breaded fish tenders. Then to the center of my spinach wrap, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. I'm going to add my vegetables. You can customize the vegetables based on your liking. Here I'm using lettuce, cucumber, tomato, and thinly sliced onions. Afterwards, I'm going to slice my fish tenders and I'm also going to add it to the center of my wrap. Then I'm going to fold and seal my wrap. You can fold your fish wrap just like this, or you can also fold it this way based on how you feel more comfortable. Afterwards, I'm going to add it to a hot pan